nothing's used here. Just throw it in there for now. Okay, so it's like a micro of everything we've already done, but we're gonna do it on her face. And you usually start at the forehead, okay? And you're gonna start at the eyebrows and work to the hairline. And we're gonna do like a micro version of our pushing, right? And so going from yin tong out,
That feels so good.
it feels really good. And so I usually do it in threes. You can do it longer, and then you're gonna go to the middle section here. Okay. And so that's pushing, and then to the hairline. And if you do this, if you're gonna do cosmetic acupuncture or something like that, this is a really nice way to start it. Okay, and then next we're gonna do kneading. And so depending on their face, you either do it with one finger or all three, with the, you know, the most focus on the middle finger. And so you're gonna do kneading, same thing, kind of going from the middle to the outside. And so this is really good for people who have, you know, stress,
So
headaches.
everyone.
Yeah. Let me start with the forehead. And if you are going to do, you know, some of the cosmetic acupuncture, I often use it before cosmetic acupuncture, and people, they'd say like, I'll just come in and, you know, I just want to do this. Okay, so that's pushing and then kneading, and then you can do the pinching here. Okay, so we actually start with the eyebrows and kind of go through. People will have various, you know, how taut their skin is. Sometimes you can't really get too much. Okay, and so that's the forehead. You can do those three techniques. And then you're gonna go along the jawline, basically like the gallbladder kind of stomach meridian, and you're gonna knead here. Most of these movements will be kind of in the upward, you know, just for facial tone of muscles. A lot of times here, folks will have a lot of tension in their jaw, and so you can kind of, you know, say like, if you want to just relax your jaw, you don't have to open your mouth, but just kind of, because people don't realize they're holding so much tension in their jaw and their faces. Yeah. So we can knead along the jawline. Okay. And then we're going to do the pinching along the jawline as well. Okay. And you can do a little bit longer or less, you know, time if you want to. And then depending if their necks are also tight, you can go down to the neck and do a little bit of pinching along their SCM gently, okay? A lot of times that'll be creating a lot of tension in their upper back, okay? And then we're gonna do rubbing. It's kind of like stroking, rubbing along the face. And so in the upward direction, we're not gonna pull anything down.
Gravity does that for us.
Yeah, gravity does that enough. So we're gonna do a little bit of stroking. And then I like to kind of merge it with the forehead, stroking up on the forehead. So we're gonna do this on either side. Okay, and you can kind of repeat this as long as, you know, usually I do a couple of times on each side. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then she'll look more rested. Yeah. Okay, and then one of the percussive techniques that we can do here, and this is really if you want to like draw some blood up to the face, is we're going to gently do like a modified chopping. And so a lot of times you're just doing it like this. And you can do it one-handed or both, going along. Okay. Just kind of get some good blood flow in there. Good. And so that is that. If you want to do stroking into the hairline, that also feels really nice. You know, she's got a lot of hair here, so we're not going too much into her hairline. And then you can also do some of the kneading around the gallbladder.
That's not Tina.
It's not Toinabo, yeah, but that would be admissible. I usually like to end it kind of going around the gallbladder meridian. You know, mindful of not ripping hair out because it's less relaxing when you do that. And getting down to the gallbladder and just kind of creating a little bit of traction here. Okay, so that's the little face routine. Any questions?